Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to cancel your Audible subscription through Amazon. Please stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps. So while Audible is connected through Amazon and you can use your Amazon account, you're actually going to want to go to audible.com first to cancel your membership. So we're going to go there. And I'm already logged in. And so right up here at the top of the screen, you're going to see some options. What you're going to look for is hi, and then your name. And it's going to be a drop-down window. And it's going to have information about your membership status. So right now I'm an Audible Premium Plus member. And so we're going to go down to account details and click that. And here we are on the page that gives us information about our membership. And below the main part, you're going to see switch membership, pause membership, and cancel membership. We're going to want to go ahead and click cancel membership. Now it's going to try to entice us to stick around and use them instead of canceling. So it's telling me I have one unused credit. I'm going to go ahead and bypass that. So I'm going to scroll down and click continue to cancel. And here are some more options that they're going to throw at you to hopefully get you to stay and stick around. We're going to scroll down again and click confirm cancellation. And now it's completely canceled. It ended on this date, but you can still change your mind and go back and keep your membership. It saves your information for a certain amount of time, but it is going to ask why you canceled. There are options such as, I forgot I was a member, it's too expensive, I'm using another service, I couldn't find audiobooks I liked, I'm having technical problems, I don't use it enough, audiobooks aren't for me, or other reason. I'm just going to click other reason, and you can enter a description of what that is. I no longer want this account. And then you're going to go down and hit submit. There we are. We've successfully canceled our Audible membership. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. And thanks for watching. Bye.